Hey friends, welcome back again. Today I'm going to be showing you another refreshing drink that you can make at home. I'm going to be showing you how you can make tomato juice. Tomato juice is naturally a refreshing drink. It's full with antioxidant property, anti-inflammatory properties, and also detoxifies the body, and it's good for weight loss because it contains a lot of water. It keeps you hydrated, keeping the body from being weak and feeling hungry easily. So today you're going to see how you can make tomato juice. So here with me I have very ripe tomato. Look at how beautiful they are. They look very red. And I have sugar, salt, and I have lemon. You can use lime. So to make this tomato juice, we are going to start by rinsing these tomatoes. I'm going to bring these tomatoes into a bowl of water. I'm just going to rinse this a few times. I'm going to place the tomato in a pot with water, then bring this to a boil. Once the tomatoes have cooked and they have started splitting, so you can turn off heat. I'm just going to use a spoon to remove the tomatoes into a bowl of cold water. Now I'm going to bring this into the blender. Okay. I'm going to add in a quarter cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of water. I'm going to go ahead and blend this a few times until it turns to a fine puree. Not blending, I'm just simply going to pass this over a strainer. Once I'm done straining, I'm now left with the skin and the seeds, so I'm going to discard this. Here is your tomato juice. Next, I'm going to squeeze in some lemon juice. It will help balance the taste of the tomato juice. Next, I'm going to just stir this around to allow the lemon juice to combine with the tomato juice. Okay, so I'm going to be pouring my tomato juice over ice. This is really delicious. It tastes so good and is refreshing. So guys, your tomato juice is ready. You can serve this immediately or you can just chill this first. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed this. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you're already here, thank you for watching this video. Until next time, see you shortly. Bye.